how does hiring a bookkeeper actually save money?
The time savings that you would normally use as a contractor, writing down the receipts or keeping them organized, or filing them or putting them in a software, that time is valuable. Your time as a contractor is very valuable. And many contractors can, if they spend that same amount of time going and making the money that they do with their business, can make more money per hour than it costs them to hire a bookkeeper. And then you don't have all the pressure, all the stress involved with worrying about whether your transactions are recorded or who's taking care of you. Your reports are organized, and the categorization is usually much better than maybe a novice would do. With the reporting, you can actually see some trends of your business. Is the sales, following the pattern that your budget is wanting it to? How many customers do you have, and how many invoices are you having? Is that same trend happening as in past? Is it growing? Is it decreasing? It just gives you a lot of extra information about your business. And time is money, and if you can save the time, you can usually save money, and also, or at least make a money.
Watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy at Trusted House Painter and grow your painting business.